6 Secrets to Successfully Losing Weight with Weight Watchers. Welcome to our Healthline Champions Solutions channel, where we delve into the fascinating world of health and wellness. If you're looking for practical tips, insightful information, and effective remedies to improve your well-being, you've come to the right place. From natural remedies to lifestyle changes, we explore a wide range of topics to help you lead a healthier life. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest videos, packed with valuable health advice. 6 Secrets to Successfully Losing Weight with Weight Watchers. Losing weight can be a daunting task, but with the help of Weight Watchers, it doesn't have to be so difficult. With a focus on healthy eating habits and staying active, Weight Watchers has helped many people achieve their weight loss goals. If you're looking to shed some pounds and improve your overall health, here are 6 secrets to successfully losing weight with Weight Watchers. One of the key elements of Weight Watchers is their point system, which assigns point values to different foods based on their nutritional content. By tracking your points and making healthier choices, you can stay within your daily limit and still enjoy the foods you love. Additionally, accountability plays a big role in Weight Watchers' success. Whether it's attending meetings, tracking your progress online, or connecting with others on the Weight Watchers app, having that support system can help keep you motivated and on track towards reaching your weight loss goals. Focus on developing healthy habits that you can maintain in the long run, rather than quick fixes or fad diets. 1. Understanding the Weight Watchers program. When it comes to losing weight with Weight Watchers, understanding the program is key to your success. This program focuses on a point system, where every food you consume is assigned a certain number of points based on its nutritional value. The goal is to stay within your daily points allowance to reach your weight loss goals. Weight Watchers also emphasizes the importance of tracking your food intake and physical activity. By being aware of what you're eating and how much you're moving, you can make more informed choices and stay on track with your weight loss journey. This accountability is a crucial aspect of the program, as it helps you stay mindful of your habits and progress. Another key concept of the Weight Watchers program is the focus on choosing healthier food options. Rather than restricting certain foods, the program encourages you to make smarter choices by opting for nutrient-dense foods that are lower in points. This approach allows you to still enjoy a wide variety of foods while making healthier decisions that support your weight loss goals. In addition to food choices, Weight Watchers also places an emphasis on building healthy habits. This includes setting realistic goals, creating a support system, and finding ways to stay motivated throughout your weight loss journey. By developing positive habits, you can make lasting changes to your lifestyle that will help you maintain your weight loss results over time. One unique aspect of the Weight Watchers program is the flexibility it offers. With a variety of plans and resources available, you can tailor the program to fit your individual needs and preferences. Whether you prefer in-person meetings, online support, or a combination of both, Weight Watchers provides options to help you succeed on your weight loss journey. Finally, understanding the science behind the Weight Watchers program can also be beneficial. By learning how the point system works and why certain foods are assigned certain values, you can make more informed choices and better understand how the program can help you achieve your weight loss goals. Overall, understanding the Weight Watchers program is vital to successfully losing weight with this approach. By familiarizing yourself with the point system, tracking your food intake and physical activity, choosing healthier food options, building healthy habits, embracing flexibility, and understanding the science behind the program, you can set yourself up for success on your weight loss journey with Weight Watchers. Learn about the Smart Point system and how it can help you make healthier food choices. Weight Watchers, now known as WW, has been helping people achieve their weight loss goals for decades. One of the key components of the program is the Smart Point system, which assigns a point value to each food based on its nutritional content. Understanding how the Smart Point system works can be crucial in making healthier food choices and ultimately reaching your weight loss goals. The Smart Point system takes into account the calories, saturated fat, sugar, and protein content of foods to assign them a point value. Foods that are higher in calories, saturated fats, and sugars will have a higher point value, while foods that are lower in these factors will have a lower point value. This system encourages members to choose foods that are more nutrient-dense and less processed, as these foods typically have lower point values. By familiarizing yourself with the Smart Points system, you can begin to make more informed decisions about your food choices. For example, you may find that a small serving of chips or cookies has a higher point value than a larger serving of fruits or vegetables, prompting you to opt for the healthier option. Over time, these small changes in food choices can add up to significant weight loss results. One of the key benefits of the Smart Points system is its flexibility. Unlike traditional diets that restrict certain foods or food groups, the Smart Points system allows you to eat whatever you want as long as you stay within your daily point target. This flexibility can make it easier to stick to the program long-term, as you won't feel deprived or restricted. Another benefit of the Smart Points system is its focus on portion control.